Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn percentage calculation using Microsoft Excel. This tutorial is very useful to prepare powerful and meaningful MIS. That is also very quickly and easily. We have covered two practical examples. 1. How to calculate percentage of sale achieved compared to goal or target. 2. How to calculate percentage of sale achieved compared to common goal or target. Let's learn first example. How to calculate percentage of sales achieved compared to sales target by following example. Column A is product category. Column B is product category-wise sales target. Column C is product category-wise actual sale. Now to calculate sales performance in percentage, let us divide actual sales by sales target. Here we can see target is overachieved and that is 130%. Let me copy this formula to other cells. We can see that grocery is worst performing category. As totality we have achieved 96% of our target, or we can say that we are 4% behind to our sales target. Now in second example, let us consider sale value of B5 as common target for all product categories. And we want to find what sales is achieved against common target, that is entered in cell B5. We should calculate sales percentage for each product category against total sales target. For that, while calculating percentage, cell reference where target is entered, that as 989,475 should be mentioned absolute reference. Thus, let's divide actual sales of stationery category by common target and specify cell B5 as absolute reference. Let me copy this formula to other cells to apply same formula. Isn't it simple? From these both practical example we learned how to calculate percentage. Subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get latest updates. Also do not forget to share.